that today I will show you the cleaning and disinfection step for Holter monitor from BPL model track 48. One mask, one gloves and one medical wipes. Take the BPL track 48 device and cleaning all the things. And clean the and second cleaning the wires, beads. Okay. You clean the gently rub all the things, connectors, and clean the single wire, not all the wires. Clean, and this electrode clean properly for middle side. Same all the wire.
Holter installation. Okay. ECG electrodes, cables, and the digital monitor, and two oscilloscopes. Connected EFI cables to the ECG electrodes. Going to connect the ECG electrodes to the patient. Take the banyan upside. All has been connected now. Now we are going to put the micropore tape because it should not remove. So when you are sleeping, so yes, you are going to put this tape above the electrode. Like this. This is enough now. So it won't remove. The Holter monitor. So which you are going to collect the data in this one. You have to open backside to change the battery. For every time you have to change a new battery. And now you can see here, no patient cable, please insert. So now we have to attach the cable here. So you can see here, here's the cable, and you can see a mark also here to insert it, and we will insert here, insert once. Now it is showing start recording. Okay, I'm pressing now. It is mentioned here ID number. So just I'm going to use as an example 1 and 2, 3, 4. This is the ID. Just I have put it for the example. And now OK. And now the machine is running. And now all the installation has been started now. So after 24 hours, it will mention here the complete. That's all. After this, we are going to hang this halter. When he was walking means we can't put it in pocket and all. So just we are going to hang like this. That's all. Installation has been fully completed now. So after next 24 hours, after completing 24 hours, we have to remove the machine. That's it. That's all. Now the 24 hours has been completed now. So now we are going to remove the halter machine. That's it. So first we are going to remove the machine. So afterwards we will remove this one. Cable has been removed and the machine will be kept this side. So here we just remove the tapes like this. So on the cables will be safe. Now the machine has been fully removed here. That's all.